This is a very special series for us to be filming. We're taking you into these home kitchens of three very special women who have come to New Zealand, who've arrived in Aotearoa as refugees or forced migrants, and have since set up these thriving home businesses where they're sharing their food with the community. You're going to love this one. All of the chefs are graduates of a program which is put together by Iti Rearea collective, who are made up of a bunch of not-for-profits who help refugees and forced migrants after they arrive in New Zealand to create enterprises and businesses that give them financial independence. So Esther is a graduate of this program and she cooks food from Myanmar.
Esther Taithul ဖြစ်ပါတယ် ကျမအလုပ်ကတော့အိမ်မှာနေရင်းနဲ့ထမင်းချက်ဟင်းချက် online မှာဝယ်ချင်တဲ့လူစီရင်လည်းရောင်းပေးပါတယ် Myanmar food Taste of Myanmar လို့ခေါ်ပါတယ် like that this one ginger
okay, so ginger, turmeric, onion, garlic.
Too much ginger for kids.
Quite hot. Yeah.
Put only small, right?
Esther is making the spice paste for a beef curry. So she cooks homemade Myanmar food, so food from her homeland. And what's been a recurring theme is that cooking food from their own cultures means that these chefs get to connect with their identity as well as share it with Kiwis. Smells really good.
We need color. ဒီမှာကမြန်မာပြည်ကလာဖြစ်ပါတယ်မြန်မာပြည်ကနေ Thailand ထိုင်းကနေ Malaysia ကနေ UN နဲ့ New Zealand ရောက်တာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ရှင်မြန်မာဟဲ့ဆိုတော့အများကြီးရှိတာပေါ့နော်ကျမလှုပ်တတ်တာအမေစီကနေတင်တာပေါ့အမေချစ်တာအမေကြိုက်သမျှကျမတို့ကြိုက်တယ်အမေချစ်တတ်တာတွေပဲကျမတို့ကြည့်ပြီးမှချစ်တတ်တာဖြစ်ပါတယ်
Taste of Myanmar is a way for Esther to achieve financial independence, but it's so much more than that. And talking to her, the business is also about connection, creating connection with her community. It's about her expression of her identity and of sharing the food from her homeland with her new Kiwi community. So it's a really special thing.
My customer, they very love this one.
I'm going to love this one.
Love this one. Amazing. 7 years. It was 7 years. This one selling. Wherever I sell this one, all gone. Already gone.
I can see why. It's very fragrant.
Eat, yeah.
Eat. I'm being told to eat. I've got a plate of the fried chicken here, and what did you call this, Esther? Myanmar mayonnaise. Your mayonnaise. Esther's just popped a whole load of the homemade chili paste, which she's called Myanmar mayonnaise because you just slop it over everything. It's got tamarind, chili, garlic.
Nice. Good. Oh, thank you.
It's so juicy.
Thank you.
Fried chicken. Cooked to perfection, crispy, juicy, golden. Look at that in the pan. Delicious. Thank you, Esther. This is amazing.
Welcome, thank you.
The program that the chefs go through provides them with business mentoring and microfinance, and it means that they can become financially independent through these enterprises that they start up.
အထောက်အကူပေးတာကအရန်ကောင်းတယ်ပထမမတိဘူးတာတွေသိတာပေါ့မှဆိုရင် Facebook မှာကျော်နေမဲ့ဟာတွေကတ်လို့တဲ့ဟာတွေဖုန်းနဲ့ဒီလိုလုပ်တာတွေအမေကရမသိဘူးလေအခုမသိရင်တော့မှဆရာမကတော့လုပ်ပေးတယ်ကိုကအရင်ခန္ဓာပဲစိုက်တာပေါ့နော် အချိန်ပဲစိုက်ပေးတယ်ဆိုတော့အများကြီးတိုးတက်တယ်အများကြီးတိုးတက်တယ် Eat together.
Oh, yes, we'll eat together. Thank you, Esther.
enjoy.
Wow, it looks amazing. Beef curry is served up. Thank you so much for inviting us into your home and sharing your food with us. It's delicious. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed this one.
Yep,
Support this small business. Jump onto Facebook. All of the details are down below. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now can we eat together?
No, this one.
Oh, just adding another dollop of Burmese mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.